auto level on, built-in microphone, 22mm f2, auto level on. Is there a difference between auto level and literally no kind of stabilization? Auto level is not a stabilization, it just try to keep the horizon stable. 4K auto, I'm not using the manual, I'm just using the 4K auto. Now the enhanced stabilization with 1.43 crop. I'm handling and walking. How good is the enhanced stabilization? If you're going to use any kind of digital standard or enhance, you cannot enable the auto level. I wish I can use the auto level with enhanced or standard stabilization. I really like the grip of Canon M6 Mark II. I can easily handle. This is the enhanced stabilization. I know 22mm 1.43 crop is happening here. My face is too tight. I can use some kind of Ulanzi, some kind of selfie stick, but I know it's a quite tight shot, but still you can do it. I really think you can do it with 22mm f2 handle. If you use some kind of Ulanzi or some kind of selfie stick, you can do it. This is the standard stabilization with 1.1 crop. Now it's better, right? Now it's better, right? With 1.1 crop is much better. I'm still handling the camera, but still it's much better and manageable, right? My arm is fully extended. Built-in microphone. This time I don't want to use an external microphone because most of the time I use, so you don't have an idea what kind of audio it will be sounding. Is this the best travel camera? Maybe yes. Maybe this is the best travel camera. Again, I'm in 4K auto only. So the f2 will not remain f2, it will decide by itself. Now with the auto level on, no kind of digital stabilization, but right now I'm at f5.6, which is really saddening, to be honest with you. f5.6 is the aperture. Again, you cannot shoot in shutter or aperture priority when in 4K mode. This is the auto level only. My arm is fully extended. So this one is the with the auto level. My arm is fully extended. Kind of stabilization, no auto level, no enhance or standard. I really wish there was an aperture priority, shutter priority. I really wish that there was some kind of aperture shutter priority. But next video I'm going to turn the standard stabilization, put in 4K manual f2. Let's see what we can get with that one. I hope so we can get a better like background. So 4K manual, I have set the shutter 60 f2. When the sun is not out or when evening, you can easily shoot in 4K manual because I set the ISO to auto. The lowest ISO is now 320, so it's much manageable. But still this one is no stabilization. Now I'm going to turn on the standard stabilization. Standard stabilization 4K manual mode. If the sun is not out, it's not a sunny day, then you can easily shoot in 4K manual, because now I set the shutter 60 f2 and I have set the ISO to auto. The lowest ISO is 320. If the sun is out, it's a quite bright day, then the lowest ISO will be like 100. Still you need to close the aperture or use a ND filter. Right now I don't need any kind of ND filter. So this one is the with the shutter 60 f2, and I'm really liking it. Standard stabilization. Let me know in the comment section box below what do you think about it.